All right, here's some more information on my intake. I've got it completely disassembled so you can see how it goes together. Here's the air intake. Real straightforward. The only tricky part is that there's a vacuum line that attaches to the right side of the air box. I did have to extend it a little bit. You can see where I have a little plastic piece in there to extend this hose. I originally had a metal elbow, but I found that a plastic one actually works better because you need to put this plastic piece on there, and epoxy plastic to plastic works really well. Hose clamp goes there, obviously, and then off of that we have air intake pipe and an adapter to step up to the mass airflow sensor. I just did some Dremel tooling to isolate that. Do be careful of the direction arrow. And then the air filter goes on, and it sits up there in the corner. I got most of the parts that I needed from Summit Racing, but I also needed a 3-inch plastic 90-degree elbow, and I found that at either Advanced Auto or AutoZone. You also need an air filter. I don't wash them, I just throw them away, so I like to use these cheap ones from Amazon. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Thanks for watching.